Hi, I'm Ashwin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share a way where you can earn around 30,000 per month. So this is something that I have used in my college days. So it is very simple, selling your notes. So how to do that? In general, we all prepare notes for various reasons. The first thing, it might be we are taking notes from the lecture that we have been hearing in the class. And the other thing, if you want to prepare your own notes, then you will also spend some time preparing your own notes. But once after your semester ends, or once after your college life ends, so you will leave that alone. I mean, I can say all the notes that you have prepared is waste. But what if you can also earn using that notes? Yes, it is true, you can do that in multiple ways. The first way that I used is selling my notes as an ebook on multiple platforms. So you can do that easily. So you can create your notes, you can scan your notes, and you can make it as a PDF or ebook. So you can use platforms like Instamojo. So I used this platform called Instamojo, where I created my own page. You can create your own page for free there. So just upload your notes and set a price for that, and you can share in social media. So if any individual wants that notes, then ultimately they will pay you some money so that you will earn. So this is very simple way, because you are not spending extra time for this, because you already prepared your notes for your exams, or I can say for some exam preparation. You are using that to make money. So of course you can ask me, who will purchase those notes? So of course every individual needs that. Not everyone will make their own notes. So everyone needs, I can say, good notes during their exam time, or when preparing for exams, when preparing for competitive exams, they will all search for notes. So if you can provide this within a low cost, then ultimately everyone will purchase that, because they are getting notes at low cost. So you can also reach lot of people. So if you are someone from computer science background, or I can say uh, or if you prepare notes for JE or GATE, these kind of competitive exams, and ultimately there are a lot of students who need this irrespective of what they are studying. So they will purchase without a second thought. So if you can set the price which can be affordable, so this is one of the best ways. So I used this, and I have earned around 8,000 during, I mean, 4 years back. So you can also do that. You can also earn a lot nowadays, because everyone is depending on online materials, and I can say internet for learning nowadays. So if you can sell your notes, then ultimately there is a best chance that you can earn a lot. So this is one thing that will help you to earn while studying. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this, or if you want someone else to use this trick, then please like, comment, and share this video in your network. Also, if you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.